Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project, where we cook delicious meals outdoors. Today, we're making one of my favorite Middle Eastern dishes, Shakshuka. This dish is packed with flavors, simple to make, and perfect for any meal of the day. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. We'll start our prep by chopping our peppers. Remove the core and seeds and remove any membrane that's inside. Now give it a good julienne cut. And then we'll go for a medium to small chop. I saw some YouTubers say to always cut your peppers with the skin side up. If you need to sharpen your knife, just sharpen your knife. Now onto the onion. Easy work today. We're just going to give it a small dice. I want this to cook quickly in the pan. I've got about 2 tablespoons of parsley and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. We're going to chop it finely, and this is going to be our garnish. I've got 4 cloves of garlic here. We're going to smash them. I like to put them in a mortar and pestle and pound them to a paste for more flavor. But if you don't have time for this, you can just mince them. Let's get started by heating some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, we'll add our chopped onion and bell pepper. We're going to saute these for about 5 to 7 minutes until they become soft and start to caramelize. Now, it's time to add the spices that really make shakshuka sing. I'm adding half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 teaspoons of paprika to give this dish its warm, earthy flavor. We're going to toast these spices for about 30 seconds until they're nice and aromatic. Then throw in your garlic paste and cook it for about a minute. Now that that's done, we'll get our tomatoes and give them a good crush before putting them into the pan. In goes 2 tablespoons of harissa sauce. If you don't have harissa, I'd recommend substituting with 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes so all the flavors meld together and the sauce thickens up. It's important that your sauce is on the thicker side and not thin and soupy. Season well with salt and pepper. Now for the fun part, adding the eggs. Use your spoon to create small wells in the tomato mixture, and then pour your eggs right in. Cover the skillet and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the egg whites are set, but the yolks are still runny. If you prefer firmer yolks, let them cook for a bit longer. Once they're done, remove from heat and hit it up with that garnish of parsley and cilantro. Just look at that. This shakshuka is ready to serve. We're gonna finish this off by hitting it up with some crumbled feta cheese and serving it with some pita bread. That's perfect for mopping up that delicious sauce. And there it is, shakshuka. The sauce is so rich and flavorful, and the eggs are perfectly cooked. This is the perfect comfort food, whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more outdoor cooking adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Good.
Good.
Good.